What's the secret to financial freedom? Is it just about earning more, or could it be about how you earn? Welcome to the world of passive income, a financial strategy that could redefine your understanding of wealth accumulation. Passive income in its simplest form is money earned with minimal to no active involvement. It's the dream, right? Earning while you sleep. But it's important to note that this doesn't necessarily mean no work. There's often an upfront investment of time, effort, or money required. Once that investment starts paying off, however, you could be looking at a steady stream of income with little to no ongoing effort. So, how can one achieve this? Well, there are several types of passive income, each with its own set of advantages and potential challenges. Firstly, you have investments. This could be in the form of stocks, bonds, or real estate. The idea here is to put your money to work. You invest an initial sum, and over time, this investment grows, providing a regular return. Then, there's peer-to-peer lending. This is a modern take on the traditional banking model, where you lend money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest payments. Another popular form of passive income is rental income. This could be from renting out a property you own or even a room in your house. Then there's the digital world. Creating a successful blog, YouTube channel, or podcast can generate advertising revenue. Similarly, selling digital products like ebooks or online courses can provide a consistent income stream long after the initial creation phase. Affiliate marketing is another digital avenue. Here, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for any sales made through your referral. Now, let's summarize the key points about passive income. Passive income is about making your money or efforts work for you. It's not always easy money, as there's usually an upfront investment required. However, the potential for continuous returns can make it a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. The types of passive income are diverse, from traditional investments and rental income to modern digital opportunities. Each type requires a different approach and carries its own set of risks and rewards. Finally, remember that passive income is a strategy, not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires planning, patience, and often a willingness to learn new skills or knowledge. In the end, passive income could be a stepping stone towards financial freedom, offering you the chance to earn in ways that are not directly tied to your time. It's about creating multiple income streams that can provide financial security and give you more freedom to focus on what matters most to you. So, the question isn't just about how much you earn, but also how you earn it. Could passive income be your ticket to financial freedom? Only time and your own unique journey will tell.